your doors will be
Behold the horrors, they lurk beneath the shadows of remorse. You wouldn't know, of course, but I force a new judgment day. On this day you will repay your respects to all that may lurk in between your mind and mankind. So have a seat and be afraid. Fear's about to commence the final ritual. One part is all we need for this to be complete. And when the day begins to take form, you won't be leaving those doors. You'll only live when lost inside the darkness of space. So you won't get tired of left behind. All this torture will unwind. I was never all that kind. If you were to rewind, then you would find I was left behind. Take your time to run and hide. I will catch you all the time. This night no longer shines. Your tears divine. You'll now be mine. Behold the terrors, you won't believe what I have done to you. I've made it look brand new, oh how cute, but don't digress. I'm the ringmaster you see, in this horror game you flee. I take up every shadow, believe me. Now have a seat and grab your light. Tears begin to run, you try, but dark thoughts are the common grounds. I give myself to be complete, be as it may. Our courtesy remains, so we offer you our darkest passion. Take off that blindfold, the heels, and reveal your soul that night was left behind. All this torture will unwind. I was never all that kind. If you were to rewind, then you would find I was left behind. Take your time to run and hide. I will catch you all the time. This night no longer shines. Your tears divine. You'll now be mine. You dare bring your filth into my lair? Well then, let us descend. Reborn again, our souls are now refined. Breathing new life inside our tombs tonight. You have no idea what we've been through, time and time again. Don't hold on to our deadliest demise. We can't keep you in.
take it from our broken crimes. We have no place to go but you alone. Take your time to run and flee, but that's your destiny. Stop holding back from me.
They burn your dojo. They burn us alive. They made us look like clowns. Our souls are red. They lined up just to send to the king. There is bad news that I bring. No less than like me. All this torture will unwind. I was never all that kind. If you were to rewind, then you would find I was left behind. Take your time to run and hide. I will catch you all the time. This night no longer shines. Your tears